Hello everyone. This is another episode of Becca's Easy Eats. And I am your simple home cook in training. Today, we are making blondies or white chocolate brownies.
Hello my dear friends, I'm Becca. Welcome to my kitchen as we make something delicious and easy together.
Screenshot this recipe or copy from the description section below. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Butter and line baking tin with parchment paper and set aside. Use brown sugar to achieve the caramel scent and taste of the blondies.
For the white chocolate, you can use chocolate chips, or you can use white chocolate blocks cut into baton sizes.
In a bowl, whisk together the melted butter and brown sugar until combined and no lumps. Next, whisk in the eggs and vanilla extract. Add the flour and the salt.
Now remember, if you like your blondies to be lighter and a bit like cake, this is the time to add in the baking powder. If you like it dense and chewy, omit the baking powder.
Tip in the white chocolate pieces.
Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with all your friends. Subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on.
Gently fold the mixture. Do not overmix. Pour and spread the batter evenly into the baking tin and top with more white chocolate pieces. Bake in 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes, until the top is golden brown and the middle is just set. Allow the blondies to cool completely before removing them from the tin. Cut the blondies into squares and enjoy. Store in an airtight container. Blondies can also be frozen for up to 4 weeks.
You can enjoy your blondie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And with a drizzle of caramel sauce. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking!